that, Jai?
I got you. Tariq, if my run drag, make him run. See my shift left. See my shift left. See my shift left. Don't walk with him. Don't walk with him. Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Give him line. Give him line. You have enough line, bro. You have enough line. You have line. This time you drag. You have line. You have line. You have line. Give him. Don't work him. Take your time. Make him turn. Make him run, man. My run? Come back with him now. Work him. Work him. Work him, Tariq. Come on. Work him. I got you on film this time. Work him. Work him. Yeah, make him run. Make him run. Wait. Make him run. Work him back. Work it. Work him. See him turn there now. See him turn there now. In turn. In turn, Tariq. In turn. In try run drag. Make him run drag. Make him run. Make him tired down. Make him tired out. I got you. Make him run. Make him run, brother. Make him run. Hey, watch my lines. Make him run, brother. Work him, man. Work him, man. Make him tired out himself. Work him, brother.
Yo, see him there?
See him there?
You just burst him.
Eh?
I 12 phone.
He burst?
No, sir. No burst. Nothing, brother. Take your time and work the fish and don't say the fish burst. Make him tired out. What kind of fish?
It's a big, me don't know, but it's a big something.
Alright, work him.
He jump up.
Tighten your drag a bit. Give him a little tighten on the drag. Not much. One click. Work him back. See him stop there now. Work him. You make him run again, man. Work him back now. Make him turn now, Tariq. Tariq, that rod can take pressure. Come on, bro. Work him back. Work him back. Work him fast. Work him fast. Work him. Am I tired out himself now, Tariq? Am I tired out? Work him, brother. Come on, pump and wine, brother. Pump and wine.
That's recording.
Pump and wine, brother. Pump and wine. Ain't tired out now, man. Pump and wine. Come on, brother. Out and bad, brother. You got this. You got this. Yeah. Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing. Out there. That's what's going on, people.
Yeah, man. I'm massive. Bigger than last time. I don't see it.
Come in, Tariq. Pump and wine. Tie him out, brother. Yeah, man.
Yeah, right.
Tighten up, look a drag. Tighten up, look a drag.
Right.
You know, tighten up. Wind him in now. Step. Bring him in. Bring him in. Work him in, Tariq. Work him in. 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 Work him in, brother. I'm not coming in, man. Work him in. He take line in, no. Work him in. He take about 100 yards this time, brother. 100 yards. I got you focused, bro. I got you. I got you. We got light. We good. Bring that fish in, bro. Bring that fish in, bro. Tilo, get the gaff out the bag, Tilo. Gaff. He's coming in. Bring him in. I'm gonna jump down to him. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. Work. Don't let him loose. Don't let tension. Bring him in. Bring him in, Tariq. Bring him in. Tariq, bring him in. Wind him in. Wind him up. Don't let him run loose again, you know. Come the boss. Wind up the line. Turn up. Come on, stingray. Stingray, brother. Stingray. You got a stingray, bro.
It's a stingray.
You got a stingray. That's a good fight, Tariq. You said you wanted a stingray fight today. You got it.
You want a stingray now? You can't join me. You want him? You want him?
Fight.
I fight the bastard want.
Fight what?
I want him.
Tariq, you wanted that fight.
Watch I get to.
Fisherman.
Work it, bro.
Watch I get to. You have to give him away sometimes.
Yeah, bro.
Why you have to give him away?
He's running a 12-pound test line on this and brought this stingray in. That's a monster. On a 12-pound test leader line with a 1/0 circular hook, running a 2-ounce hook, 2-ounce weight on it.
1
ounce?
1 ounce. Are you like Tariq?
And you got an eagle ray, not a stingray. An eagle ray.
It's a stingray.
Eagle.
What?
Tighten your drag.
I'm going to show you that it's a stingray. That is a stingray. No, there are more
Bring him in.
types, Gabriel. Oh, that's
Bring him in. Bring him in. He's tired of him. He's tired as hell. Hey, you gotta watch that tail, Tariq. I think you're gonna have to probably cut the hook off.
Oh, there he is. Whoa.
Whoa.
No, he's a stingray.
Eagle ray.
Eagle ray.
Yeah. That's a 12-pound test, right?
Yep.
Hold on, Tariq.
I was watching Barb. Watch it here.
Who got the gaff? Terran, you got the gaff? Terran! Let me take the hook out of him. Hooked him.
Whoa, he looks like a dolphin. I told you that.
Got him in his mouth.
Yeah.
Hold him.
Careful, man.
I know, I see the barbs. I see his barbs. His barbs are way up on the tail. Look at this bad boy. Wow. Hooked him. Mm-hmm.
Are we going? No.
Yeah, want me to cut him off? Tariq? Yeah. Let me take out the hook.
Bring him.
We're not go close to him.
I water and get a one picture with him and release him.
Who's that?
You can hold him? Yeah, you can hold him. You not gonna sting you?
No, sir.
See him there. See who come after now. Let him go.
Yes! What a good fight, man.
Alright, let him go. Let's
There
go.
you go, girl.
Go on the road. Yeah, we release, catch and release, guys. There